Have you ever said, I will change tomorrow, and then did the same thing again? Just one more video. Just one more snack. Just one more excuse. And then suddenly, the day is gone. Here is a hard truth. Your life is not controlled by your dreams. It is controlled by your habits. Think about that for a moment. Not your goals. Not your plans. Not even your motivation. It is your small daily actions. But here is something even deeper. What if you are not in control of yourself? Yes. What if your mind is leading you, instead of you leading your mind? This is where many people feel confused. They think they are free, but they are actually reacting again and again to the same impulses. An impulse means a sudden, strong feeling to do something. For example, the sudden desire to check your phone, or the sudden urge to stop working. Now here is the question. If you cannot control your small actions, how can you control your life? Pause, think. Because today, we are going to change that. Let us talk about something very important. Self-control. Self-control is the ability to choose what is right, even when it is hard. It is simple to understand, but very difficult to practice. Many people believe self-control means being strict or being perfect. But that is not true. Self-control is not about being perfect. It is about being aware. Aware means you can see what is happening inside you. For example, you feel lazy, but you notice it. You want to quit, but you see the thought clearly. This is powerful, because once you see something clearly, you can start to change it. In this video, you will learn something very practical. Not theory, not complicated ideas. You will learn simple ways to control yourself, step by step. Ways you can use today. You will learn how to stop acting without thinking, how to take back control of your mind, and most importantly, how to become stronger than your impulses. But here is something important. This is not about forcing yourself. It is about understanding yourself. Because when you understand your mind, you stop fighting it and you start guiding it. And this leads us to the first idea. Control does not start with action. It starts with awareness. Now let us begin. See the impulse before you follow it. This sounds simple, but it changes everything. Most people do not choose their actions. They react. A thought appears and they follow it. A feeling comes and they obey it. No pause. No question. Just action. But here is the truth. Between the feeling and the action, there is a small space. A very small space. And inside that space, you have power. The problem is, most people never see this space. They move too fast. For example, you are working. Then suddenly, you feel bored. Your hand moves to your phone. Did you notice the moment before that action? Most people do not. They say, I just checked my phone. But there was a moment before that. A moment where you could choose. This is where self-control begins. Not with stopping, but with seeing. Next time you feel an urge, pause. Just for 1 second. And ask yourself, what is happening inside me right now? Is it boredom? Is it stress? Is it fear? This is called awareness. It also means conscious attention. It means you are awake in your actions. And something interesting happens when you do this. The impulse becomes weaker. Yes, just by seeing it, you reduce its power. Because impulses grow in the dark, when you do not notice them. But when you bring light, they lose strength. Start small. One moment. One pause. One choice. That is enough. Now listen carefully. Do not trust your feelings in the moment. This may sound surprising, because many people say, follow your feelings. But here is the truth. Your feelings change quickly. One moment you feel motivated. The next moment you feel tired. One moment you feel confident. The next moment you feel doubt. So if you follow your feelings, your life will move in circles. Feelings are important, but they are not always right. Here, right means correct or accurate. For example, you plan to wake up early. The alarm rings, and suddenly you feel tired. Your mind says, sleep more just today. It feels real. But is it true? Or is it just a temporary feeling? In the moment, feelings feel like truth. But they are not always truth. They are signals. So what do? You create something stronger than feelings. A decision. I will wake up at 6 a.m. I will study for 30 minutes. I will not check my phone while working. When the feeling comes, you do not argue. You simply follow your decision. Because your decision was made with a clear mind. This is real self-control. Not emotion, but direction. Now remember this. The more you follow your decisions, the stronger you become. Now listen carefully. Make the right action easy and the wrong action hard. This is smart control. Many people try to use only willpower. But willpower gets tired. So instead, change your environment. Your phone, your room, your apps, your food. All these things influence your actions. Influence means they affect your behavior. If your phone is next to you, you will check it. Not because you are weak, but because it is easy. So make it harder. Put it away. Turn off notifications. Now the wrong action becomes difficult, and the right action becomes easier. If you want to eat healthy, remove junk food. Replace it with better choices. Now the good action feels natural. This is powerful because you are not forcing yourself. You are guiding yourself. Now think, what is one small thing in your environment that is making you weak? Change it, and you will change your behavior. But even then, you will face resistance. So listen carefully. Act even when you do not feel ready. Waiting for motivation is a trap. I will start when I feel ready. That moment rarely comes. Here is the truth. Action creates motivation. You do not need to feel ready. You need to start. Just one page. Just 5 minutes. Small action. Because when you start, your energy changes. Your focus grows. This is called momentum. Momentum means the force that keeps you moving. So do not wait. Begin. You do not need to win the whole battle. You only need to take the first step. Now go deeper. Change your identity, not just your actions. Your actions follow your identity. Identity means how you see yourself. If you believe, I am lazy, your actions will follow. Your mind wants to stay consistent. Consistent means the same over time. So change your belief. Say, I am a person who keeps small promises. Then prove it. Study for 5 minutes. Wake up on time. Keep your word. Slowly, you start to trust yourself. And your identity changes. Now ask yourself, who do I want to become? Because every action is a vote for that person. Now the final rule. Forgive yourself, but do not relax your standards. You will make mistakes. Everyone does. But do not stop. Stand up quickly. This is called resilience. Resilience means the ability to recover and continue. Be kind but strong. If you fail, say, I made a mistake, but I will continue. Then continue. No drama. No delay. Just move forward. One bad moment does not destroy your progress, but repeating bad choices will. So return quickly. Again and again. Now listen carefully. You do not need to control everything. You only need to control the next step. One action. One decision. That is how change begins. And if you repeat this, you will not just control your actions. You will control your life. Now take action. Choose one small promise and keep it today. If this message helped you, subscribe to the channel. Because here, we do not just learn English, we build a stronger mind. Like this video. Share it with someone who needs it. And remember this. The next decision you make can change everything. So choose carefully. And I will see you in the next video.